Enjoy all of life's conveniences living in one of the hottest condos in Vaughan's downtown core, where lifestyle and luxury meet on the 35th floor. I'm Erica Yarulo with the Mello Real Estate Group, and I want to invite you to experiencing this condo like it's already yours. 2908 Highway 7, Unit 3507 is home to a new condo building with stunning architecture and plenty of landscaped green space. Not a detail has been overlooked in this welcoming 2-bed, 2-bathroom suite. Incredible natural lighting and picturesque views with floor-to-ceiling windows in every room. Spanning 843 square feet, including balcony. Primary bedroom features a 3-piece semi-ensuite bath. Modern comfort at its finest in open concept kitchen and living. Sleek monochrome neutral tones, quality hardware, and contemporary finishes. 9-foot ceilings throughout, and laminate flooring features an acoustic underpad layer. The second bedroom, complete with 4-piece ensuite featuring a 5-foot deep soaker tub. And feel like king of the world with these incredible, unobstructed views of the city skyline from your private balcony. No neighbors in sight. With hotel-like amenities, you will never want to leave. Pool aqua lounge, gym, theater room, garden terraces, guest suites, yoga room, and a pet spa. Endless dining and entertainment, instant access to new TTC Toronto York Spadina Extension, and Viva Rapid. Be a part of this dynamic community at Jane and Highway 7. I'm Erica Yarulo with the Mello Real Estate Group, and welcome home.